Enjoy relaxed Florida living in this well-maintained turnkey 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo offering a desirable open floor plan and full golf membership included. Move right in and start enjoying the lifestyle immediately, with everything you need already in place. While the interior remains in original condition, it has been very well cared for, providing a fantastic opportunity to update and personalize to your own style over time. The open floor plan layout flows seamlessly from the kitchen to the dining and living areas, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Step out onto the private back lanai and take in serene views of the water, golf course, and preserve, an ideal setting for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Ideally located just steps from a satellite pool and within easy walking distance to the clubhouse and community amenities, this condo offers both convenience and lifestyle. A great value with endless potential. Create your own slice of paradise. This beautifully landscaped, gated, bundled golf community features an 18-hole championship golf course, putting green, driving range, renovated clubhouse with pro shop, resort-style pool, tennis, pickleball, bocce, fitness center, and a poolside cabana and bar. Located just minutes from downtown 5th Avenue and Naples' world-renowned beaches, this is more than a home, it's a lifestyle.